Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make home-style braised pork belly. It comes out tender and flavorful with no greasy aftertaste. The recipe is super detailed and easy to follow, so let's get started. First off, grab 2 pieces of well-marbled pork belly. It's also known as 3-layer pork, with even fat and lean layers. It's the absolute best cut for braised pork belly. Cut the pork belly into large chunks first. Heat a cast iron pan until it smokes, then place the pork skin side down to sear. Fine hairs on pork skin are hard to remove, but they scrape right off after searing. The sweat glands in pork skin are the main source of gamey flavor. High heat searing destroys these glands and cuts down the odor effectively. Stop once the skin turns brown and wrinkled. Put the seared pork into a large bowl, and soak it in clean water for 5 minutes. After soaking, gently scrape the skin with a small knife. Hairs and dirt come off easily, and most of the gamey smell is gone. You can see the water has turned cloudy, with all the impurities we scraped off. Rinse the scraped pork thoroughly with clean water. Pat it dry, and set it on a cutting board. Cut it into long strips first, then into evenly sized chunks. Don't cut them too small. Big chunks taste way more satisfying. Set all the pieces aside on a plate. Chop 2 scallions into sections. Peel and slice a piece of ginger. Set them together on a plate for later. Next, put the pork belly into a pot of cold water. Add the scallions, ginger, and a spoonful of cooking wine. Blanching in cold water slowly draws out blood and impurities, for better odor removal. Bring to a boil over high heat, then skim off the foam on the surface. Cook for 2 more minutes, then fish out the pork. Rinse the blanched pork with warm water, not cold water. Sudden temperature shock makes the meat shrink and turn tough. Drain the washed pork and set it aside. Heat up a pan with no oil added. Drop the pork belly right in and stir-fry slowly over low heat. This is the key step for non-greasy braised pork belly. It renders out all the excess fat from the meat. Take the pork out once the surface turns lightly golden. Don't throw away the rendered lard. It tastes amazing in stir-fries and noodle dishes. Now let's make the caramel glaze. Add a spoonful of cool oil to the pan and toss in a handful of rock sugar. Melt it slowly over low heat. Wait until all the sugar melts, turns deep reddish brown, and starts to bubble slightly. Immediately pour in the pork belly and stir fast to coat every piece evenly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support is my biggest motivation to keep putting out new content. Thank you so much, everyone. Next, toss in the scallions, ginger, dried chilies, Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Keep stir-frying over low heat to bring out the aroma of the spices. Once fragrant, drizzle a spoonful of light soy sauce along the pan edge. Pour in a can of beer to cut odor and boost flavor. Add warm water until it just covers the pork belly. Add a little dark soy sauce for color, and some oyster sauce for extra umami. The caramel isn't sweet enough, so we'll add a few more rock sugar pieces to balance the flavor. Bring everything to a rolling boil over high heat. Season with a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken powder. Cover the pot and simmer on low heat for 40 minutes. When time's up, crank up the heat to reduce the sauce. Cook until the sauce thickens and clings tightly to every piece of meat. Then it's ready to plate up. This braised pork belly has a glossy, rich red color. It's tender and packed with flavor. The fatty part melts in your mouth, and the lean part is never dry or tough. Every bite is full of savory aroma. Both kids and elders in the family love it. I always have to cook extra rice every time I make this dish. If you love this recipe, remember to save it and give it a try. I share different homestyle cooking tutorials every single day. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.